What's up, y'all? This is Chris with Flip the World. I am a part-time reseller. I only go to Goodwill Outlets and I only go 2 days a week. So I source maybe about 8 times a month, and part-time I'm able to earn about $2,000 to $2,500 a month in pocket. That's net. If that sounds like something you want to learn how to do, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. But today's video is thrifting for the contest winner of my last video. I'm gonna go in there and see what I can get for you guys, and then I will show you and then do the drawing at the end. Thank you to the loud cart fucking up my video. Let's get at it. All right, guys, back from the bins, and bag is full. I was debating whether I was going to show what I got, but instead I'm just going to ship it to the winner. I will show you 2 things that I am including. One you already saw in the last video, which is going to be a pair of shoe trees, not shoe horns, shoe trees, and also a 30-gallon IKEA bag, brand new. If you're a real thrifter, you got your own IKEA bag. So if you don't have one, now you do, and if you already do, now you're going to have more. But yes, the bag is full. I will say probably 100, 125 in potential profit, which to me is pretty good considering you're not paying for it. Maybe more, depends on how you list and your photos. Yeah, I'm a little sweaty, but that's because of this stupid thing. If you hadn't noticed the elephant in the room, 2 eye surgeries have failed, so I'm having a complete eye surgery in 2 days on Thursday. So yeah, they're going to do what they do, and hopefully I'm able to see again and not look like this, even though I can rock it pretty well. So I do have new shirt designs that I dropped, new Flip the World and new Hustletown, because if you didn't know that, that's what Houston is called, Hustletown, and that's what we do here. So link is somewhere, definitely in the descriptions. That'll take you to Poshmark store, which is having a sale, and eBay store, and also the Etsy store where you can find the Flip the World and Hustletown products. Thank you in advance if you've purchased anything to help out. Yeah, so with the bag, what I wanted to do is I'm primarily shoes. Obviously, I didn't want to fill a bag full of shoes in case shoes wasn't your thing. Also, I'm kind of hoping this goes to somebody that's just getting their feet wet. So I have a good mix of clothing, some shoes, obviously. I got some vintage and some random mystery stuff, but definitely going to be worth your while, especially since you paid nothing for it and it only cost you a comment in the last video. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up so we can do the random drawing, and I will reach out to the winner, or they can reach out to us on the Flip the World TX Instagram, and we'll get this box shipped out to you before I go under the knife. And then, all right, guys, there's my ugly mug. We are copying the link. We're going to go over to the YouTube random contest picker. I'm going to enter the URL here, paste. We will come down here, and we are going to, actually, we got to load the comments first. There are 22 comments. Obviously, if myself or Mrs. Flip the World are drawn, we will go again. Good luck to everybody, and let the game begin. Gino Wally, you can pick your friends, you can pick your nose, but you can't pick your nose. You are the winner. Congratulations. All right, Gina, you are the winner. Congratulations. Miss Flip the World?
Hello. You read the comment wrong, Chris.
I got one fucking eye.
Congratulations, Gina.
We're going to get that boxed up and shipped out to you. Thank you to everybody that commented. Trust me, I'll be doing this more. Probably not with a custom bag, but we will get this out to you. Shoot us a message on Instagram, or I will comment on this and ask you to hit fliptheworldtx@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe. Guys, if you like videos like this, if you like seeing a one-eyed guy go to the thrift, make sure you follow, hit the bell notification. I might try and do a video from the bed with one eye bandaged, laying on my stomach because they're injecting a gas bubble after they cut me open. On my predictions and plans and goals for 2021, because I do want to end the year on a high note. So, until next time.